I'm working my way through the recipes that came with the inspiration guide for the Ninja food processor. I always find it's a really good way to get used to all the different functions and capabilities of a new appliance. So today I'm testing out the banana bread recipe, which uses the dough blade along with the pulse and the auto IQ mix function. So I'm following the recipe exactly as it is in the inspiration guide. So that's 200 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So next we're going to pop the lid on. It's really easy, just twist it round until it clicks into place. Then switch it on and we're just going to press the pulse button 2 times, and all that will do is give it a quick spin around and mix up the dry ingredients. So if we take the lid off, we can see everything's nice and mixed together. So next we're going to add the remaining ingredients. So I've got 2 ripe, as you can see, very ripe bananas, nice and spotty. I'm going to just peel them, and instead of mashing them like you normally would with making banana bread the traditional way, just going to break them up and add them straight into the food processor. So next we're going to add 200 grams of caster sugar, followed by 100 grams of sunflower oil, and then finally we're going to crack 2 eggs directly into the jug. So next the lid clicks back on and it's time to do the mixing. Press the mix button, which is one of the auto IQ functions, which runs for 30 seconds. It's going to be interesting to see how this batter turns out because the processor is powerful, running at 850 watts. When I'm mixing banana bread by hand, I'm mashing the banana rather than blending it. So we're not going to have the same texture when we try the banana bread afterwards. But let's see whether the speed and convenience of using the food processor is worth the difference in the result. So it's made short work of that. It's all really well mixed and very runny. I'm transferring the mixture straight to a greased loaf tin. This all feels really, really easy. There's not many steps to it. I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. This is how it looks at the end of the 50 minutes. I did cover it in foil after 30 minutes to stop it browning up any quicker. If I have a feel of it, the exterior is quite different to a normal banana bread. It's quite springy and it's quite smooth. But now I've sliced it up, we can see the inside, and it does look really good inside. Everything is cooked well. Having eaten a couple of slices now, I can say it does taste really good. It's very banana-y, but it is definitely more dense as you would imagine. I think that the more often than not, I will probably carry on mixing banana bread by hand, or at least mash the bananas and stir them in at the end. But for a very quick and simple method to use up ripe bananas, this food processor is definitely worth using. To see more recipes and reviews of popular kitchen appliances, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and let me know in the comments if you have a food processor or if you're thinking of getting one.